Dr. Sampurno and Dr. Andi Iwan. In this opportunity, I will present to you a basal thesis defense as a result of nearly 1 year. Our research work with the title Hydrodynamic Study of Downward Flow Impact on Various Sloping Structures Using Computational Fluid Dynamics, or kajian hidrodinamika pengaruh gelombang damplik pada struktur bangunan menggunakan pendekatan computational fluid dynamics. In this defense, there are 5 chapters, including the introduction, the literature review, the methodology, the result and discussion that will be divided into 3 main classes, and the last is the conclusion and recommendation. So, I bet you all know what a damping event is, but just let me ensure that we are in the same class. Basically, a damping event is a catastrophic event that caused by a collapse of dam infrastructures that result to large amount of water flows downstream. As can be seen, over decades, whatever place taking in or whatever time taking in, it seems like the damping accident still occurs and leads to many casualties and destroyed structures in the downstream area. This fact is then triggered us to study the mechanism of the damping flow as a preventive way from the hazard. In the aim to that, we prefer to use the computational fluid dynamics approach. This research is controlled by the government's identification, including how to simulate the downward flow using decided methods, how to analyze the pressure induced by downward flow on vertical from various structure forms, and how to analyze the influence of initial water column height on peak pressure from the optimal structure. The objective of this research rely in 3 goals, such as to simulate the downward flow using decided methods, to analyze the pressure induced by downward flow on vertical wall of various structure forms, and to analyze the influence of initial water column height on the peak pressure from the optimal structure. In this research, we only focus the study of pressure induced by downward flow on vertical sloping wall with angle 90 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, and 30 degree. Also, there are 30 variants of initial water column height in the case 3. This research is a mass-based that uses the numerical solution finite form method, volume of fluid method, and the Bimple algorithm. The other limitation that regard the scope of the research is presented in this slide. Hopefully, this research can contribute as an alternative method to study the damping case and as a preventing way from the damping hazard. First of all, based on our literature review, several studies have been brought to study the mechanism of the damping flow using the computational fluid dynamics approach. But there are 3 main studies that use as main references of this research. Isakov and Zhu have been studying the downward flow against various structure forms, and they found that the structure with sloping angle 30 degree is received the smaller pressure impact. Meanwhile, Peng et al. In 2021 studied the downward flow against a right angle structure, and they found that the initial water column height plays a significant role on pressure values induced by downward flow on the wall. Meanwhile, the novelty of this study relied to the numerical method, turbulence models, and also the evidences that will be presented in the next chapter. Well, how we do this research? The first step of this research is doing the literature review. The second step is doing the computational stuff that will be divided into 3 main processes. The first process is the pre-processing, with the aim to build the computational domain. The second process is the solving, with the aim to apply the displacement seal and the numerical solution. And the last is the post-processing, with the aim to visualize and bring some statistical methods from the results. The analysis of the result is done after doing the validation of the model. The validation of the model relies to the laboratory data and other numerical experiments using some statistical methods that will be explained in the next following slides. The computational domain that used in the first case is depicted in these figures. The geometry will be built in 3D space, but the machine is only variated in 2D space, as in x and z direction. Pressure sensor P will collect the pressure data over time on the wall. Move on. The geometry that is in the case 2 and 3 is similar and depicted in these figures. The structures will be placed at 0.1459 meter from the water column. These structures is filled the width of the reservoir. In the case 2, these structures will be variated as given in these figures. Currently, there are 4 simulations in the case 2. Pressure sensor P1, P2, P3, and P4 are then collected the pressure